Ever feel like you're stuck with a financial product you're not happy with? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into getting your money back from Wealthsimple. Whether you're unhappy with their performance, their fees, or just want to switch things up, we'll cover everything you need to know. Wealthsimple has exploded in popularity. Their sleek interface and promise of automated investing have attracted a massive following. But what happens when you realize it's not the right fit for you? Can you actually get your money back? And how easy or difficult is the process? Let's break it down. 1. Understanding your agreement. The fine print. The first step is to understand the terms of your agreement with Wealthsimple. Look for clauses related to withdrawals, account closures, and any potential fees associated with these actions. Account types. The process might vary slightly depending on your account type. For example, withdrawing from a tax-free savings account, TFSA, or a registered retirement savings plan, RRSP, might have different rules and tax implications. 2. Initiating a withdrawal. The Wealthsimple app/website. Typically, you'll initiate a withdrawal through the Wealthsimple app or website. Look for options like withdraw, cash out, or transfer funds. Withdrawal methods. You'll usually have a few options for receiving your funds, such as direct deposit, having the funds transferred directly to your bank account. Check, requesting a physical check. Processing time. Be aware that there might be a processing time for your withdrawal request. Wealthsimple will usually provide an estimated time frame. 3. Dealing with potential issues. Account restrictions. There might be situations where your account is restricted, such as outstanding debts, if you owe any fees or have unpaid debts to Wealthsimple. Security holds. Temporary holds might be placed on your account for security reasons. Contacting support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to Wealthsimple's customer support. They can help troubleshoot problems and provide guidance. 4. Tax implications. Capital gains. If you've made any profits on your investments, you might be liable for capital gains taxes. Tax-advantaged accounts. Withdrawing from tax-advantaged accounts like TFSAs or RRSPs may have specific tax consequences. Consult a tax professional. It's always advisable to consult with a qualified tax professional to understand the tax implications of withdrawing your funds. 5. Alternatives to withdrawing. Rebalancing. Instead of withdrawing, you might consider rebalancing your portfolio. This involves adjusting your asset allocation to align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Changing investment strategy. Wealthsimple allows you to adjust your investment strategy within the platform. You can modify your risk level, choose different ETFs, or switch to a socially responsible investing option. 6. Comparing to competitors. Research alternatives. Before making a decision, research alternative investment platforms. Compare fees, features, and investment options. Consider your needs. Evaluate whether another platform better aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. 7. Document everything. Keep records. Maintain records of all your interactions with Wealthsimple, including withdrawal requests, emails, and phone calls. Will I lose money if I withdraw? The market fluctuates constantly. Withdrawing may mean selling investments at a loss if the market has declined since your initial investment. Are there any fees associated with withdrawing? Wealthsimple may have withdrawal fees, although they are usually minimal. Refer to your account agreement for details. How long does it take to get my money back? Processing times can vary depending on the withdrawal method and the time of year. Research thoroughly. Before making any decisions, thoroughly research your options and understand the potential consequences. Consult a financial advisor. If you have complex financial situations or are unsure about the best course of action, consult with a qualified financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.